This is engine. The engine oil, you can see the engine oil is not changed. If the engine oil is not changed, deterioration oil, poor lubricant, lowered engine performance, engine seized in the worst case, new engine oil. Look at how it is, very clean. Used engine oil, very dirty. For all replacement group, all replacement group, yes. And this is the replacement group. Engine overhaul replacement. For all replacement graph, recommended good. First year, second year, and then the third year. So there we are. I cannot hide it. Oil, importance of engine oil. Change engine deteriorates by use, or even if it is not used. Engine oil becomes dirty as it removes dirt and sludge. So if you go to the diagram, you can see yes. I'm sorry. Let's see. Yes, and then yes, this is the oil consumption diagram. The oil consumption diagram. Let's move. Let's move. Yep. Consumption diagram. Let's move to oil consumption diagram. And then this is okay, radiator cap is broken. The pressure, see, pressure is not applied to coolant. Coolant temperature does not rise above 100 degrees Celsius. Bubbles are created by boiling. Coolant does not flow smoothly. Engine overheat, engine seized. The engine must be overhauled. This is interesting statistics coming to you by way of Eric TV, the headquarters of Automobile Center. Pressure valve opens. Then you see the vacuum valve opens. What is radiator cap? Radiator caps allows coolant to stay at constant pressure to keep the boiling point of the coolant above 100 degrees Celsius. Also, it improves. Then, if the engine oil filter is not replaced, you see the filter element becomes clogged. Relief valve opens. Oil that is contaminated with metal particles is discharged throughout the engine. The service of the rotating shaft is shortened. The engine must be overhauled. This is the new filter. This indicates the old used filter. Relief valve. So as you can see, it's all set for you. It's very educative entertainment. Let's watch it. Then down here we have relief valve not open, and then relief valve open. If I scroll down, you can see, okay, I've made experiments. This is our experiment already. And here it's talking about rating, but let me first take you to the top and come to the rating. And this is something I want to share with you. It's very important, very important, very important. My viewers, I'm patiently explain this to you. From oil filter, let me move to the antifreeze deteriorate. It NAST inhibiting property decreases. Then you see the radiator core becomes clogged. The radiator pipes of hoses becomes punctured. The leaking radiator needs to be required. The engine oil overhauled. Then this is what you call yes, this is a engine coolant system. If coolant leak out, cooling performance drop, engine overheat, engine seize, engine must be overhauled. And basically this is the system below. Water pump all the way from the front. On top there's a cylinder head, and when you come to down here, that's the cylinder block, that's the engine block. Then we have thermostat, water thermostat. This is the reservoir tank connected here. Then radiator, this is the radiator. So it's very simple and it's very entertaining. And what is cooling and heating system? This system keeps the temperature of the engine constant also. The warm coolant warms the air to adjust. It's very simple. You know about the cooling system. The cooling system and how it works. So from here you're going to drive the antifreeze system. So we are still on the periodic maintenance, basic knowledge of periodic maintenance. And here you can see the antifreeze deteriorate. It rust inhibiting properly decrease. So here rust and scale are created in the radiator. So it's quite interesting. The radiator core becomes clogged. The radiator pipes or hoses becomes punctured. Here it indicated that the leaking radiator needs to be repaired. Engine oil overhauled. Engine overhauled means if you don't maintain it well, you might end up buying a new engine. And see the leaking radiator. When the engine overheats, the new coolant and the old coolant. So new coolant must also deteriorate. Replace engine coolant according to distance driven or amount of time, because it is difficult to judge the level of deteriorate by looking. Yes, it's very difficult to judge the level by looking. So there we are. This figure indicates excessive valve clearance, insufficient valve clearance. Abnormal noise occur when the engine becomes abnormal. Noise occur. You don't have good sound of the vehicle engine. Vibration during idling occurs. Camshaft. Here is the main component of the engine. This is the camshaft, exhaust valve, timing chain, intake air, then the crankshaft. This is the piston connecting rod, but it can be so long, so a lot of things shortcut. It's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. Let me show you gasket. We have also gasket and the vacuum. Then how plugs work. This is the fuel economy becomes worse, and the power output fails. Inspected replacement interval. Replace depend on the distance driven. It is also possible to blow by gas control burn agar. So PC valve, blow by gas, cylinder head side. This is valve intake manifold side. There you go. There we go. A lot of things. You can see fuel filter is clogged. Just want you to take a look at it well. Yes. Just want you to take a look at it well. Yes, for diesel engines. This indicates for gasoline engines. Gasoline engine, diesel engine, supply of fuel decreases. Power output of engine falls. Filter for gasoline engine from fuel tank to hyphen pump. Fuel filter for diesel engines. A lot of things. Very entertaining. Welcome. Clutch pedal. This clutch pedal and the diagram below. And here we have chassis, drivetrain, steering wheel and linkage. Steering wheel and linkage. Normal. There is difference of tire track when turning the steering wheel. Here, when the tire rod is bent, this is the normal steering wheel. This is the bending steering tire wheel. It also indicates the transmission. Quite interesting videos coming your way And viewers, here is the end of the presentation part 1, basic knowledge of periodic maintenance part 1 comes to an end. Thank you everyone for watching. This is Eric TV. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel Eric TV GH. Let's help to build the platform. Together we can. Thank you. Hit the button to subscribe and get notification. See you next time. Bye bye.